This is Engine Talk. I'm back with another video after quite a long time. It's been quite a busy few months, so I haven't got the time to record too many videos and post them. And I'm not the type to post videos just for the sake of it. So basically, I've got an Eeco today in the workshop. The customer complaint was that the car was overheating, and he's already taken it to 2-3 other workshops, and they have told him that there is a head gasket problem. Basically they will remove the head from the block, and they would need obviously to change the head gasket anyway. So I have already done my checks, and I found two things. There is a slight misfire where on the engine, basically when I give it a little rev, and the other thing is I can see a little water keeps leaking out from the radiator. So the engine's been running, the fans coming on perfectly and cutting off as it should, but if you hear the engine, you'll hear a click on and off. I'm sure you'll be able to hear it. And the other thing I'm going to show you is the radiator. So you can hear the fan running now, but look at the radiator. There's leakage all over. I think you can see the leakage down. I topped up the radiator, but there is leakage. So the best option would be is I'm going to replace this radiator first. Because of the slight misfire, the other workshop told them that the head work needs to be done because of this misfire, as well as because the car was overheating. Now the car is overheating because of the radiator leaking. So the coolant's leaking out and there's no coolant. That's the reason why the car is overheating. And the misfire is because of the ignition coil. So I'm trying to show you all the spark. I wonder whether you all can see it. So I found out that this ignition coil, the one down there, this one's bad. So I'm going to replace that first, sort out the misfire, and then replace the radiator, and then see if the car overheats. As you can see, I've removed the ignition coils. So this is the bad one, which is sparking against the body. So I'm going to replace this. In fact, I'm going to replace both, put it back in, and then see if it sorts out the misfire, and then replace the radiator. So as you can see, I'm removing the radiator out, or I'll put a new one in MGP ones, and these are the old ones. Now I'll be fitting in the new radiator. So as you can see, I've fitted the radiator, the new one. So I've got the engine started, and I think if you watched the earlier part of the video, when I was revving it, there was a slight miss. So right now the missing has disappeared, but I'll keep it running for some time till it reaches operating temperature, because I want to wait to see till the fan comes on, or if the engine overheats. For quite a while now, and you can see there's no leakage at all. Obviously this is a new radiator, so I'm waiting for the fan to turn on. There the fans come on now. eat something. Driving the vehicle for quite a while now, and the overheating light hasn't come on as yet. So I'm pretty happy. I guess we have sorted the problem. I'm so happy for the customer. We have saved him quite a lot of money, and happy to have diagnosed the problem correctly. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.